Don't know, I've never done it. It's my first time doing it. No, Tuesday I just finished my own workout, so.
Start level 2. Start level 5. Start level 9.
How much, Onyx?
11, Yanni, 11. Come on, Bear. 11. Chào ai nè? Gặp bác sĩ. Money mà. Money mà. Có tạo những gì nè? 11.
No, 11 where? You 11 also.
Then if you in order to beat 11, you must go to 12. What?
Nabil?
I think 12.2, I think.
Wow.
Yeah, if I'm not wrong. 12.2 or 12.3.
Later you beat Nabil.
Ah, beat Nabil.
I just lost you pass to
I do 6, I happy.
17. 17.1.
I need to be 18.
You can register lah. You can record already.
The record. The prettiest Muay Thai fighter.
65 kan?
Prettiest ex Muay Thai fighter.
Who?
Oh. Your neck spoil.
Why?
Sebelah kita. Jeremiah.
你要 describe 一下吗？现在是什么情况啊？
欢迎来到 Onyx 新闻，什么 Onyx 频道。现在我们的选手现在进行B 测试，B 测试，基本上就是只要 B 一声，我们就要跟着跑。没有啦。
I think it was a good gauge on our fitness level as coaches, so we know where we stand. And of course, for me, is every time I train, I want to improve by the next training. So today I did a 9, level 9. I can't remember 9 what, but in the coming weeks, hopefully I can hit a 10, and maybe 11. I'm gonna try and beat Yannick. Yannick, I'm out for you.
I thought Nabil was.
Nabil is the record holder. He's at 12 point something, 12.2 if I'm not wrong. I do hope to break records. With every training, you must always have this mindset of getting better from the last training.
Start level 11. Start level 12.
加油加油加油加油！
12. Nabil, someone broke your record, I think. I think Nabil, your record has been broken by Claudia. Time to up your level, bro.
Okay, next week we go for the world record.
What's that? 17.
17.
5%.
In the run, bro.
Day 9, the day 7.
Kita naik lah.
Ting.
Ayo, sir.
Yeah.
Impossible!
You need stretching? You need stretching? You need stretching? You need stretching or not?
Can already. Okay lah. Okay.
Fight ah. Like fighting ah.
I can.
Jangan begitu ah.
OK。Really no？可以可以可以。